Come test drive the 2013 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, center armrest, front wheel drive, CD player, fog lights, MP3 player, rear window defroster, child safety locks, electronic stability control, passenger airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.